Why, hello, welcome back to a new installment that is hopefully not chaotic of unboxing the Maniology Manny and Me subscription box. This one, I'm on time. This is the box for April. You can still get the box if you would like on their website, maniology.com. I don't actually know. But this is exciting that I'm doing it not late. Let's see what's inside. Okay, fun. So they always put these fun cards in that kind of explain to you, there's like a theme. This one is Fairy Fantasy, and they give you a little like preview of what you could do with the stamping plates. And then there's a picture of one of the polishes. And then the back, it has this cute little graphic of the polish. The other polish is this fun like limey green color. Mossy green, as it says in the description. And so you kind of just get like a little preview. And then, like I mentioned before, if you've never done the subscription box, it comes with 2 polishes, 2 stamping plates, and a mystery item. And the mystery item, well, it's not really a mystery, sorry, a bonus item. And the item this time is a fun little stamping plate carrying case. I've gotten these in a few different iterations of stuff for Maniology. I have my own system for storing my plates, so I don't often use these when I get them. But if you are the kind of person that likes having some way to maybe transport a few of your stamping plates, then this works out really well. I can show it here in a second when I open the plates. They do so nice. They put in this fun wrapping. Really gives you a fun experience ripping it open. Oh, and sometimes this is fun. They put little like stickers in there. My Holo Taco boxes have gotten so large or tall, but normally I have a little wall over there where I've taped up all the different fun stickers they've given over the years, which is cool. But here we go. Yeah, so the first plate, it's cute. It's like a little, it's like fairy. See, I tried this before and it's really hard to see. Oh, that's not too bad. But it's the fun little fairies, and then there's some like mushrooms and plants and things on that one. Ooh, I'm gonna run out of time. I don't know why I don't set these to 10 minutes. Oh yeah, because I don't want to ramble for 10 minutes. Like, if the time is there, I'm gonna use it. But this is all sorts of different fairy configurations. It's just cute. And then we have the polish. Get a little tool here to open it up, because the nails are jewels, not tools. And there you go. There you can see them live. Yeah, that is, I guess, yeah, more of a mossy green. There's a little metallic finish on that. And then the pink is a creme pink. No other add-ons to the finish.